Jopuonj mag skunde sekondar madundo mago junior sekondar ma Meru obago ng'anyo ka giseo duol mochung' ndiko jopuonje TSC kuom dino itgi ne chik mar doho madwaro ni ondikgi e yo marasika kata mongirore. Jopuonj go mag JSS oramo ni ok gibi donjo e skunde koyepi nyaka chieng' duol mar TSC winj ywakgi kendo miyo gichudo kaka jopuonj mamoko mondiki e yo mongirore. Bende giseo josiasa kod tend duol mar TSC kuom siko wuoyo mana e rombe mag udi kod liete ma ok giluwo okenge moketi kod chik e reso sekta ma somo.
We have the budgetary allocation on June. If we have budgetary allocation on June, let Mongoose be considered that budgetary allocation. Let Mongoose be compensated. Yes. Let Mongoose enjoy the life that any other citizen who is working in this country, who is a graduate, enjoys. Yes. This country, whatever we face, is our cake. The money that we get, it is our taxes. Therefore, the government have no other option except to confirm this in task.
These teachers you see here are going to become the Trojan horse of JSS. Yes. They are going either to destroy it or build it. Yes. If we build it, we want to see your support, we want to see you confirming and compensating these teachers. Yes. If you don't compensate and confirm them, we are going to become the Trojan horse that destroyed the city of Troy.
We as the gender of females, 17,000 cannot sustain any family. Not unless you want us to become maniacs, you want us to become mad.